Number 1. Put your goal on the calendar. Having a target date can create a sense of urgency and accountability. It can also help you plan your actions and measure your results. Number 2. Make working toward your goal a habit. When you make working toward your goal a habit, an automatic conditioned response, you no longer have to rely so much on feeling motivated. Number 3. Plan for imperfection. Don't let setbacks or failures discourage you. Instead, learn from them and use them as opportunities to improve. Be kind and forgiving to yourself. Number 4. Set small goals to build momentum. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by a big goal, divide it into manageable chunks and focus on one step at a time. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Number 5. Track your progress. Keep a record of how far you have come and how much closer you are getting to your goal. This can help you stay focused and motivated. Number 6. Embrace positive peer pressure. Surround yourself with people who support you and inspire you. Seek feedback and advice from others who have achieved similar goals. Join a community or group that shares your interests. Number 7. Remember your why. Remind yourself why you are doing what you are doing and what benefits it will bring you. Visualize yourself achieving your goal and how it will make you feel. I hope these steps help you stay motivated. Thank you for listening.